gentlemen, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelts loosely fastened throughout the flight in case of unexpected turbulence. If you're intending to sleep, please make sure your seatbelt is visible so we do not have to disturb you in case the seatbelt sign gets illuminated. With our expected flight time of 2 hours and 65 minutes, we should land in Kefalonia at approximately 10 a.m. UK time. And if you would like to adjust your watches now to Greek time, Greece is 2 hours ahead of the United Kingdom. Local time in Greece now is 10 minutes past 9. So our landing time will be lunchtime, 12 o'clock in Greek time. During your flight this morning, we'll be serving you drinks and snacks from the bar. We do carry a wide selection of alcoholic and soft drinks as well as snacks. All special offers with a full price bar tariff can be found on the first few pages of your in-flight magazine. We'll also be serving those customers who have pre-ordered them a meal, a hot breakfast with your choice of tea and coffee. During the bar service, I'll kindly remind all passengers that only alcohol purchased from the bar cards may be consumed on board. We also carry half and full bottles of champagne if you would like any of these.